welcome to Cooking with Chef Steph. Today I'm making a beef chili for a local charity fundraiser dinner. These are the ingredients I used. I actually only ended up using half of the canned ingredients. Here are the seasonings, and I only used 1 onion and jalapeno and 1 beef broth. I used half of the ground beef and all of the beef chunks. First we'll sear the beef chunks. And season with salt, garlic powder, and pepper. You'll want to remove at this point, and then add to your crock pot. Next, brown the ground beef and season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Drain all of the fat. Then add to your crock pot. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. This is my secret ingredient. Add the whole bottle. Cheers. I forgot to add the bell pepper, but chop half of the green bell pepper. De-seed the jalapeno. And finally dice it. Peel and chop a yellow onion. Add all of those to your crock pot. Next, strain your beans all the way. Then add them to the pot. I use dark and light red kidneys and pinto beans. 1 can of crushed tomatoes. 1 can of chili fixins Rotel. 1 can of fire roasted Rotel. Half the container of beef broth. That's all of the ingredients. Now for the seasoning. I personally just sprinkle until I'm content, and I love garlic, so I use a lot of that. You can add 2 teaspoons. One teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 2 teaspoons of oregano. 2 teaspoons of coriander. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. 2 teaspoons of cumin. 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper. Stir well and cover. I would cook on low for 8 to 10 hours, but if you're short on time, cook on high for 4 to 6 hours. Serve over rice, cornbread, or Fritos, and top with your favorite toppings.